What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Chip and Donk Show. What?
Food color.
He's already getting.
I'm already turning blue.
All right, guys, we be trying the firework.
It's called Firework Milk. It's July 4th weekend. I found this actually on TikTok. Figured it'd be a good little video to do. It's firework milk. We're gonna get it mixed up here for you, and we're gonna try it. See if it's worth anything.
Yeah, this is new to me.
So it's regular milk with red food coloring, blue food coloring.
Blue food? What?
Mixed in. So we're gonna do 3 drops of blue, 3 drops of red, and mix it.
All right, no, yeah.
What?
Let's watch him do it.
That's enough blue. I kind of bought the wrong kind of food coloring, but it'll work.
He's not even prepared.
I am. I just bought the wrong kind.
Yeah, this is new to me, guys, so I don't know what to expect. I've never heard of this.
I'm not expecting it to work, but I found it on TikTok, so we're gonna try it, see what happens. But put the food coloring in, supposed to shake it up, mix it all together. And it's supposed to, I don't know. I seen it on TikTok.
Is this supposed to change color, or is
Yeah, it's supposed to change color.
or is that just the color of the carton? I was wondering why the carton is still white.
Yeah, it's just color.
He's doing a little groovy dance over here, guys.
I gotta get it mixed up, okay?
You guys want to see some karaoke from us? Please say no, please say no.
Guys really want us to do a karaoke night on live stream. Let us know. We'll do it. 10 likes. And we'll do a live stream karaoke night.
Yeah, we won't get demonetized.
I should have probably poured it in the cup first, then mixed it. But
I'm scared what it's going to taste like. You got 1 cup?
I should have poured it in the cup first and then mixed it. But
You only got 1 cup?
yes, I only got 1 cup.
Like purple. It's like Barney.
Ain't that purple?
You know what it looks like, guys? It looks like cement.
Yeah, it looks like street cement.
Yeah, guys.
But we're gonna try it. Just very little. I'm not expecting much, but
I don't think food color would add a flavor.
dude, that's color. It's not really supposed to taste like anything. It's just they call it firework milk, mixing blue and red together. It's a thing I seen on TikTok. I figured July 4th, why not? It tastes like regular milk to me.
Yeah, that's just...
I think it's just the color of it that's supposed to be.
Yeah, that's all.
Some people, I was reading, some people put Pop Rocks in it to make it actually like fizz up in your mouth and make it actually feel like a firework going on inside your mouth. But
You got any?
I couldn't find any Pop Rocks because none of the local grocery stores around here sells them. Closest thing I could find to Pop Rocks was Nerds, and I'm not putting Nerds in milk. Everybody I watched on YouTube that did this challenge used Pop Rocks, but of course, nowhere here sells Pop Rocks except probably Five Below.
Yeah.
And I didn't even think to check there.
Yeah, they do.
We'll have to redo this challenge again when we get some Pop Rocks. Because Pop Rocks is what I've seen everybody use that technically made it firework milk, because the Pop Rocks fizz up. And so we'll have to try it again when we get some Pop Rocks.
Let us know if you liked the video. And how's your 4th of July, guys? You guys want to mix orange juice with it?
It's orange soda, not orange juice.
It's still juice.
Go for it.
I don't know.
Orange juice and firework milk. I don't know how this is gonna go.
With some sweet tea.
God, he's making all the combinations. So firework milk, sweet tea, and orange soda.
Hey, will you try exotic snacks though?
This looks like you're drinking dishwater. It looks like you're drinking dishwater. It turned from white to like a mildewish brown.
Really tastes nothing. Just tastes pure milk.
It went from a pure white to like a grayish dishwater color. Orange soda, sweet tea, and this firework milk, supposedly. Let's try this.
Hey, we had to spice up the video.
Ooh, that's gross.
I taste just milk.
Oh, that's gross. I taste milk too, but it doesn't. Oh, that's gross.
Hey, sweet tea and orange.
That doesn't taste like. It tastes like milk, but it's not straight
Ooh.
milk.
Oh.
All right, now we're doing sweet tea and orange juice.
Hey. What the world?
Food.
This boy just made my hand blue.
And my hand blue. We the Smurfs. We the Smurfs.
I'm Papa Smurf.
We the Smurfs.
Yeah, since the milk didn't really work, we're just gonna try something else.
Oh no, I'm scared.
I think it was a flavored tea. Like Arizona sweet tea come out with.
It does taste like a flavored tea. That's not bad, too bad. It would help if the orange soda went flat, but
Yeah.
it's not too bad though.
Oh, that's all.
I'm gonna have to go wash my hands because we done turned into a Smurf over here.
Well, that's all we have for you guys.
We do got more coming soon. We gotta think of some more ideas. This one I just seen on TikTok. It's July 4th weekend. Why not?
Is that all for folks?
That's all. That's all we got tonight. Till we come up with some more.
All right. And we'll catch you guys on another Chip and Dunk episode. You gotta give us a yeehaw. Yeehaw.